Hey everyone, today I will show you how to unfollow people who don't follow you Instagram. And here's how it is done. Step 1. Download your Instagram data. Go to your profile and tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select your activity. Scroll down to download your information. In the Meta Account Center, choose your information and permissions. Click Download Your Information and select Download or Transfer Information. Use Instagram only if you have linked Facebook accounts. Select followers and following under connections. Set date range to all time. Format as HTML and click Create File. You will receive an email when your data is ready. Step 2. Access the data. Download the zip folder from the email you receive. Extract the zip file and navigate to Connections. Open the HTML files for followers and following. These files contain the list of users who follow you and who you follow. Step 3. Compare the list. Use an online list comparison tool. Paste your following list in the first column and your followers list in the second column. Run the comparison. The tool will identify users who you follow but are not following you back. Step 4. Unfollow manually. Copy the usernames of users not following you back. Search for each user on Instagram and unfollow them. This manual approach keeps your account safe as you don't rely on any untrusted app. That is everything you need to know about how to unfollow people who don't follow you on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.